Good morning, fourth graders. Today for science, I want you to get outside. So in this Seesaw document, there are 5 different activities that you can pick from. I do not care which one you choose. You only have to do one. You do not have to do all 5. But I hope that what you do is you look through them, you choose one that sounds interesting to you, and then you get outside and you complete it. So I'm going to briefly go over what the 5 options are. Then you can choose the one you like the best, and you can get outside and get busy. So option 1 is a colors hike. So what you need to do is go outside around in your yard or wherever you are and explore outside a little bit. And what you need to do is find things outside that are the colors that are listed. And the challenge is to try and find something in nature and something made by humans that are each of those colors. Down below, so this resource originally came from a campground that I borrowed. So it lists, make sure you let an adult know before you go. Now you don't need to go for a hike or crazy outside or anything like that. Just walking around your yard, you should be okay to find any of these things. So try and find something in nature and something made by human. That's each of the colors that's listed. So that's option 1. Option 2 is an I Spy. And you might not be able to do all of these depending on where you live, but there are, if you happen to live near water, there are some things that you could spy in a lake or a pond or a stream if you happen to be by one, such as frogs, swimmers, cattails, fish, ducks, loons, canoes or boats. And then there are other things that you would be able to find sort of inland, not necessarily by the water. So this one might not work for everyone, just depending on where you live. But if you happen to live by a stream or pond, it could be a great option for you. And obviously just checking off everything that you do find. The next option is an insect bingo. So get outside and see what types of bugs that you can find. You can check them off or cross them off as you find them. And when you do find them, see if you can get a bingo. The 4th option is a different type of bingo. Instead of insects, this is nature bingo. So get outside, walk around, and see if you can find any of these animals or plants or things that are listed. And again, try and see if you can find a bingo or get a bingo. And then the last option is being a nature detective. So there are 4 categories. There's plants and trees. See if you can find a maple tree, a fern, or an oak. Mammals, a chipmunk, a squirrel, or a bat. Birds, a duck, a blue jay, or a chickadee. And then reptiles and amphibians. See if you can find a snapping turtle, a frog, or a salamander. So obviously you don't have to find all of those, but try and find one from each category and describe where you found it. As always, when you're going outside, try not to disturb these animals and plants. We just want to be observers and not destructive. But enjoy your time outside today, and I hope you have a great day.